loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aniyah, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know the drill. Returning craft besties pink heart, new craft besties yellow heart. So in today's video, as y'all read by today's title, we're gonna be trying to dye yarn like at home, like wait, let me do a little disclaimer. We're balling on a budget, so we don't need no recommendations. This is just for fun, just for little giggles. And if it come out cute, it come out cute. If it come out ugly, it come out ugly. So I got everything. I got some Rit dye. And before y'all come and try to tell me like, oh, you can't da-da-da-da, they literally have a yarn dyeing kit. It's Rit and Lion brand. They collabed. And they have that. And it's like $20-something. So you can get that if you want to do this video too. But I ain't feel like waiting for that to come in. So we got Rit dye. We got cotton yarn, and I got this from Walmart. I think they was each like $3-something. And I got some cotton yarn from Dollar Tree just to try it out so we can see like the difference. Now I will say the Walmart cotton yarn is softer than the Dollar Tree cotton yarn, but we still gonna dye it because y'all know Dollar Tree my girls. So like we're not even gonna play on Dollar Tree. And I got some salt because if I'm not mistaken, when you dye cotton yarn, you use salt. And when you dye wool or whatever it's called, you use vinegar. So I needed salt. And I got 2 trays. And that's it. That's all. Excited. I've been waiting to do this for about a week now. So I'm excited. We got everything we needed. Honestly, you can honestly do this project with $20 or less. If you just get like basic stuff, like basic colors, like 1 of these, 2 of these. I got these at Joann's and they was on sale for $1.99. And then this Dollar Tree, but you really don't even need these for real. So you could really do this project real cheap, real cheap. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now I don't have a hanker thing, the thing to hang the yarn, so I'm gonna use the back of a chair. So I don't know if I'm gonna show that yet because I'm ready to start. Like, I've been so eager to do this. Now I got my handy dandy chair, and I guess you just basically wrap it around until you have like a little hank. And this is gonna take a little minute, so I'm just gonna put some music on and call y'all back in a second once I get the first one done. It's 2 hours later. The first skein, I thought it was a bright idea to put it on that chair. The yarn got stuck on the chair. Couldn't pull it off. Then I got the bright idea to cut the yarn. Cut the yarn. Started having to knot it up. Each piece. I said to hell with that. We'll only be doing 2 skeins. And I spent $6 on that yarn. I spent like $9, I think. 6 something around that range. So we only got 2 skeins. This the Dollar Tree and this the Walmart brand. I'm so upset, but it's like I can't blame anybody but myself, because why did I think that was a good idea? Like, I should have just used the chair I'm sitting in. That's how I did these 2 skeins, but like these 2 hanks. But it just makes me so angry. And like I don't even have no plain white yarn to even. I hate wasting money. I specifically hate wasting money on yarn. But we not even finna sit here and rant. I'm just about to go ahead and go get started, because I just want to update y'all on that. But like, let me show y'all. This is not even all of it. And y'all know cotton yarn is expensive. $3, and it wasn't even no big old hank. It wasn't even no big old skein down the drain. Are you kidding me? Before I cry, let's go. Let's just go. Come on, y'all. Let's just go. Okay, y'all. I was gonna add some background music, but YouTube be playing it. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. So basically, right here, I'm just adding some salt into the water, because you're supposed to do a salt bath for cotton yarn, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me now, y'all. I'm not true to this. I'm new to this. So now I'm just going ahead and dipping the yarn in. Y'all, that water was so hot. Like that water was burning my fingers. I was trying to keep it cute for the video and not do too much, but my fingers was burnt. They was real burnt. And I let it soak for like a good like 30 minutes, aka I forgot about it and I just went about my day. So yeah, I let it soak, get all the what it needed, I guess. I don't know. And then I just put this on top. I put the lid on top so that like the heat can lock in and stay in. And this next clip, this was about like 30 minutes to 45 minutes later. And it was still hot. I was in awe. That water get hot. And then now I'm going ahead and I'm just adding the dye to the water. Y'all, I had directions for this. Like I wrote all the directions that I watched and gathered like information, but I still did whatever I wanted to do. Like I didn't measure anything. But luckily everything came out okay. But I'm just adding the dye. I know I'm adding too much. I should have measured, but like, sometimes we gotta learn the hard way, to be honest. Like, but that dye was very, very dark. Like I was a little nervous. I was a little nervous. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Now, I do recommend if y'all do decide to do this, make sure the colors y'all get kind of match and like you get if you want to do dark colors, do dark colors. If you want to do light colors, do light colors. Like pick good color combos because that really will make or break your process. So I loved all the colors I chose, but I was supposed to have three hanks, so that's why I got like multiple colors. But some of these colors really low key don't go together. And another thing, y'all, don't have no expectations if y'all do this. Because if y'all ever tie dye before, you can't like predict the outcome of it. So like y'all just do this for fun. Don't take it serious because you're gonna be upset. Now I'm going ahead and I'm adding the hanks. I'm trying to act like I know what I'm doing, but low key I was scared. Like I was scared. And I know you're supposed to do this part when like it's high, so I added a little bit more water and I started doing the color. And it's also like three different methods of dyeing yarn that you can use. Look at me, I sound like I know what I'm talking about, but I don't. But I think this method is called like the I don't remember, but it's this method is a specific method, and you're supposed to have like a rack, like a rack in there. But I didn't have that, so we just had to do what we had to do. And I'm just mixing all the colors. I didn't. I wanted this yarn to be majority pink, but that purple showed out. The purple outdid itself. So, and that's supposed to be teal, but it don't even look teal, but it's supposed to be. But honestly, that's why I said don't have any expectations for your yarn because it's gonna do what it wanna do. So just trust the process and enjoy it. Have fun. It's just have fun. And I just went back. I went back and I just added like a little more pink because that was the point. I wanted majority of the yarn to be pink. But like I said, that purple overpowered everything. And I just flipped it and I did the process again, I guess. Now this is the next yarn, and for this yarn, I wanted to go for like a wine color with the dark green that I had got, and this yarn really has scared me the most because I couldn't see the vision, but I would definitely say if you're gonna use dark colors, use the dark colors together, and if you're gonna use light colors, use light colors together. So this was the Dollar Tree yarn, by the way. This the Dollar Tree yarn. And the way it took the color in, I was so shocked because I'm really not shocked though because I love me some Dollar Tree and I always have faith in my Dollar Tree products. So I'm just going ahead and adding the yarn. I was so scared because look how dark it is. Like it almost looked black. Like it just looked like black almost. I was so scared. If I had the rack, I feel like it'll do better. And I'm just covering it because I heard you gotta let the heat trap in so the dye could seep in. And this is after it was given like we cooked. Now I'm going ahead and I'm washing out the yarn. You're supposed to wash out the yarn until the color run clear. So this took so long. I did y'all a favor and I cut all the clips out. So this took so long. You ain't even gotta work out no more, y'all. Just go dye you some yarn because your arms are gonna be tired. Now I'm taking a dish soap and I'm washing out the color. And this part also took long, but it was so satisfying because it low-key make it lighter. I don't know why, but it does. But as y'all can see how light the yarn get, the more like you wash it with the soap. So it's a win-win situation. Now, can y'all see why I was scared? Because I'm like, why does it look like that? But you just gotta trust the process. Trust the process, y'all. So I'm rinsing the dye out, and I'm still low key like, okay, it just looked dark, but I see the vision at the same time. And I don't know, but like I thought that the yarn was gonna be messy and stuff, but like the yarn is still soft. The yarn still held its shape. It was good. It wasn't burnt. Like it was perfect, and the color was washing out perfectly. Like, and it's not staining or nothing. So I'm just taking a dish soap, washing it out and stuff, and watch how light it get. Like it get lighter, low key. Either that or I'm delusional. Probably both. Probably both. Not gonna lie. And this is after I washed them and stuff, and I had to let them dry, air dry, and it just took long, y'all. It just took long. It just took real long, but it was fun. So it's the next day, and the yarns is dry now. Now I tried to hank them, not hank them, but do like the little swirl thing they be doing, but they wasn't long enough, so I don't know. But this is the one I did with the wine color and the dark green. And then this is the one I did with the pink, purple, and teal. They came out so cute to me. Like, they're very cute. Like, I probably would make granny squares with them. And to say this is Dollar Tree yarn, it came out perfect to me. Like, it looked good. Y'all really, like, it's not even picking up the colors for real, for real. Ooh. It's not even picking up the colors for real, for real. But, like, they are very cute. Like, I 10 out of 10 would do this again. I think I am gonna get more yarn and do this again because it was very fun and it wasn't that long of a process neither, and it wasn't that expensive. Like if you get like a few colors, it's not that bad, like honestly. And just to know that I can go to Dollar Tree and get the yarn from Dollar Tree and do it and just get the Rit dye, it's really like a cheap project. But everything worked good. It came out good to me. I'm not a professional, so it might look good to me. It might not look good to somebody else, but like to each his own. It's not that bad. So let me know what I should crochet with these. Like I'm thinking maybe like some granny squares and then have like a different border color. But y'all let me know. 9 times out of 10 clothes will be getting made, like, or pieces to clothes with this. So y'all suggest some stuff, and if y'all want to see that in one of the videos, y'all let me know, which I'm probably already gonna show y'all because y'all know we go together real bad. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and y'all already know I love y'all, and we go together what real bad. Bye y'all.